Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Surfer, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So in last video we saw about the functions, how we create the functions and how we invoke the functions, and simple how we call the functions, I would say. So this is what we saw. Let me just increase the size. So yeah, this is what we saw. This is the function that we created of for factorial, and this is how we call the function. But now we can also create a function that doesn't return anything. I mean, it doesn't return any value to you. So in last video, I said that you don't have to print the factorial inside of this function, because whenever you want to use this function, it will automatically print the value with it. And what if you don't want this? So for that, you can create a function which will just print the output for this factorial. So let's create a function that will be a void function. That means it is not going to return anything. It will simply just print the output that you ask for it, let's say. So let's give a data type. So that will be a void, because it will not return anything. And the name of the function here will give print factorial. And in this one, we'll need input. So this input will be the number, this number. So we'll see how we'll use that here. And there is nothing but simple a printf statement that will come here. That is printf the factorial of %d is %d. That's it. And here we'll do input comma factorial of input. So there is nothing wrong in this thing. You can call the one function into the another. So that means we are calling the factorial function here and putting down the input down here. So this is how we use this print function in this one. And to call this function, I'll simply just erase this thing for now. We just need to call this print factorial here. So let's try it, print factorial, and in the bracket we'll give the number 5 because we used it last video and we know the answer for it is 120. So let's see if you are getting the answer here right or wrong. So print factorial, and we'll do this run. So here we are getting the factorial of 5 is 120, so it is running perfectly. You can use this thing whenever you just want to print the statement, so you don't have to every time write down that this printf statement again and again in the whole program. So you just need to use this print factorial and write down the number. But as I said, if you just want to get the value, you can just use factorial and use the value down here, so you get the answer. Now you can use this print function in a for loop as well to get the output for numerous numbers, I would say. So let's make a for loop for it. So that is for integer I equals to 0 for now. I is less than 10, and we'll do I plus plus. In curly braces we'll do just print factorial and write down here I. Now let's see what we are getting, the answer correctly or not, and I'll put this into command section. Okay, so what we did wrong was just a slash n. Put a slash on here. That's the wrong slash n. So That's we are getting the factorial of 0 is 1, the factorial of 1 is 1, 2 for 2, 3 6, 4 24, 5 120, and so on. So this was all for this video, I would say. Next video will look some other stuff. So do subscribe the channel to get some more information videos like this, and do like the video as well. So see you guys in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.